Hello cooks, welcome to Gigi's Recipes. My name's Amanda Blaylock, and Gigi was my great-grandma. She was also a registered dietitian who wrote her own cookbooks. And in these videos, we explore her cookbooks and try a new recipe each week. Today we're going to be making her recipe 8-jewel rice. This is a meal from her cookbook, Oriental Cooking for the Diabetic. So if you're concerned about controlling your blood sugar, this is a good recipe to make. Let's get started. Start by heating some peanut oil. Add some chopped onions and saute until they're transparent. Add cold cooked rice, and then it's time for the good stuff. Throw in some diced shrimp, cooked diced pork, cooked diced chicken, shredded crab. I like crab, so I added more. Then add your sliced mushrooms and stir them all together. Add salt and soy sauce and cook for another 4 minutes. Off to the side, beat a few eggs and stir into the rice over medium heat. Cook until the eggs are set. Add cooked peas and the 8-jewel rice is ready to serve. This recipe is great because it's easy to adjust the proteins and portions depending on what you like and how much you want. I hope you all liked the rice. If you did, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more Gigi's Recipes.